हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू फतेह एडुकॉम। आज हम जनरल नॉलेज क्विज में जो मैंने क्वेश्चंस इंक्लूड किए हैं उसमें मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चंस जो हैं वो आपको एम लक्ष्मीकांत से मिल जाएंगे। तो देखते हैं अगर आपने लक्ष्मीकांत पढ़ी है तो आपका स्कोर कितना आता है। और इसमें कोई भी नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं है। 10 क्वेश्चंस होंगे, हर एक क्वेश्चन के लिए आपको 5 सेकेंड्स का टाइम जो है वो मिलेगा। अपने मार्क्स जो हैं वो आपको कॉमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर शेयर करने हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। First question is, Victoria Agreement, sometimes seen in the news, is related with the formation of, and your options are option A, Commonwealth Nations, option B, Indian Ocean Commission, option C, IND-ARC, option D, Shanghai Cooperation Organization. The right answer is option B, that is Indian Ocean Commission. Next is, while a proclamation of national emergency is in operation, the life of Lok Sabha, your options are option A, will be dissolved, option B, may be extended beyond the normal term for 1 year at a time, option C, it will extended indefinitely, option D, it will be extended for 5 years with the approval of Lok Sabha. The right answer is option B, that it may be extended beyond the normal term for 1 year at a time. Next is, in the case of Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, police, public order, all India services and anti-corruption will fall under the executive functions of, and your options are option A, the President of India, option B, Chief Minister of UT, option C, Lieutenant Governor, and option D, the Prime Minister. The right answer is option C, that is Lieutenant Governor. Next is, the oath or affirmation of Comptroller and Auditor General of India at the time of assumption of office is prescribed in the option A, Article 148, option B, Article 150, option C, not prescribed in the Constitution, and option D, third schedule. The right answer is option D, that is third schedule. Next is, which among the following best describes doctrine of territorial nexus? And your options are option A, laws made by a state legislature are not applicable outside the state, option B, when the legislature enacting the law has transgressed its power as is mentioned in the Constitution, option C, a pre-constitutional law inconsistent with the fundamental rights is not a nullity or void ab initio but only remains unenforceable, that is remain in a dormant state, and option D, the doctrine states that within their respective spheres the state and union legislatures are made supreme, they should not encroach upon the sphere demarcated for the other. And the right answer is option A, doctrine of territorial nexus means that laws made by state legislature are not applicable outside the state. Next is, this committee consists of 15 members elected by Lok Sabha and 7 members of Rajya Sabha. A minister is not eligible for election to this committee. The term of committee is 1 year. The main duty of the committee is to ascertain whether the money granted by Parliament has been spent by the government within the scope of demand. The committee in the question refers to, and your options are option A, Estimates Committee, option B, Public Accounts Committee, option C, Committee on Public Undertakings, and option D, Rules Committee. And the right answer is option B, that is Public Accounts Committee. Next is, which among the following constitutional bodies is appointed by the governor and they can be removed only by the president? And your options are option A, Advocate General of State, option B, State Public Service Commission, option C, Election Commission of India, and option D, State Information Commission. The right answer is option B, that is State Public Service Commission. It is appointed by governor and removed only by the president. Next is, in which among the following parliamentary committees in which presiding officers are ex officio chairperson? And your options are option A, Privilege Committee, option B, Estimates Committee, option C, Public Accounts Committee, and option D, Business Advisory Committee. So the right answer is option D, that is Business Advisory Committee. Next is Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation, often seen in news, is related with, and your options are option A, Partition of Bengal, option B, the Inner Line Permit System, option C, Enclaves Exchange between India and Bangladesh, and option D, Maoist Defending Initiative. The right answer is option B, that is the Inner Line Permit System. Last is Bunker Convention, sometimes seen in news, is related to, and your options are option A, oil spill disaster, option B, persistent organic pollutants, option C, ozone hole, option D, hazardous waste. And the right answer is option A, oil spill disaster. So here's the answer key. You can also compare your answers, and please don't forget to share your marks in the comment section. Thank you very much.